Hey everybody, in this workout we're going to be speeding up this power chord cycle. D5 to B5 to G5 to A5. Alright, let me show you how to find those chords. D5, the root note's D. The nicest place to play that D is going to be on the 5th string. Eddie 8, dynamite, goodbye Eddie. So this open string is A. Then between A and B there's a whole step, so here's B. Between B and C, that's a half step. So here's C, and then C to D, that's a whole step. So here's D. And then we build a power chord. We got D5. Next we need B5. We passed that on the way up. Here's A to B is a whole step. There's B, so here's B5. You could also play that up here, but this is gonna be a nicer place to play it in this one. The closest G5 is gonna be up here on the 6th string. Eddie, 8, dynamite, goodbye Eddie. So this is E. E to F, alarm bell should be going off. That's a half step. E to F, so here's F. Then F to G is a whole step. So there's G5. And then from G to A is a whole step, so here's A5. Just one thing to remember, try to use the front of your first finger so that you can block these strings over here that you don't want. Then this chord doesn't sound like this. All right, let's move on to the exercise. If you feel like you need more explanation about what's going on, be sure to check out the demonstration video. I put the link in the description. All right, we're gonna start at 60 beats per minute, strumming on counts 1 and 2, then changing on 3 and 4. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Here's 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 110. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. All right, last time with 2 strums. 120. Ready, go. 1, 2. All right, now we're going back to 60 beats per minute. We're gonna strum on counts 1, 2, and 3, then change on count 4. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 100 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 110. Ready, go. Last time with 3 strums. Here's 120. Ready, go. All right, back down to 60, but we're gonna do 4 strums. Here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here's 110 beats per minute. Ready, go. $120. Ready, go. All right, last round. We're gonna go back down to 60 beats per minute for the last time, but we're gonna do the strum pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 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 1. 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 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 1. 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Just a few more. Here's 100. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Getting close. Here's 110. Ready, go. Last one. Here's 120 beats per minute. Ready, go. Bonus round. Can you do it 4 times in a row? Just try. 1, 2, ready, go. Well, if you got this far, then you're killing it. Nice work. If you did get to the end of the video, make sure to post in the comments how many days it took you to get here. That way the people who are just starting out will know what to expect. Or if you've got some questions or suggestions for the channel, you can throw those in the comments too. And if you want to click some stuff, then click that thing, or click this thing, or click all the things down there. Everything. Go to town. And after you're done clicking all that stuff, go to the next video and I'll see you there. Bye.